Hey NASA, what are some of your best study tips students like me can use in school?
Oh goodness, study tips. Try not to cram. Try to get the information over time so that it's kind of like a steady build-up review rather than trying to do everything at once.
Build a study group. Build a group of friends that are like-minded and work together, because you're going to learn a whole lot from them. Speaking with a friend about how do you do this thing? Hearing it from a friend who's in kind of the same boat as me, could really help me to learn and to understand better.
Don't procrastinate. Just do a little bit at a time. Take a break if you need a mental break. Come back to it later. But try not to leave it till the last minute.
So I would share that repetition is the mother of all learning. You must keep practicing. I find that visualization helps. So make note cards and keep practicing until it's second nature.
Definitely don't burn yourself out all at one time. Walk away, get a drink, pet your dog, take a walk, but do come back to it.
When I'm trying to study or get ready for a test, I put on a pair of headphones, I get some music going, and I just kind of isolate myself from everyone else, and then I can just focus on what I'm doing.
My best study tip, and one that I wish I would have followed more closely, is to put in the work to actually learn the material rather than memorizing it. A lot of times students will just memorize it for a test to get through the test, and then that material is later forgotten.
If anyone wants to try my method, which is very simple, try to explain the question or the lecture or the whatever chapter you're studying to yourself and see if you can understand it by you explaining it.
So the way that I always studied was I tried to turn it into a game. And I'd start by asking this question, which was sort of an offense-defense question, which is, what do I not know? Like, what do I have the least confidence in? And I would go to work trying to tackle that problem.
The best study tip I have is practicing. So if it's learning how to do math problems, just continuously working through math problems and practicing them. So doing your homework, unfortunately, actually helps you get better grades.